This video tutorial I will explain how to create the user and add role as user admin any database in MongoDB. This is how we can create user in MongoDB. db.create user. Username is Peter, password is password, and role I am assigning as user admin any database and DB parameter as admin. And if user has user admin any database role, then the particular user have administrative privileges to all databases in MongoDB. And here we have specified DB parameter as admin database. Admin database is a special metadatabase within MongoDB, and it holds the information for this particular user. Now we will create the user. For that, start the MongoDB server in non-authentication mode. Connect the Mongo client. Current DB is test. Switch to admin. Currently there is no users are there. Now I am going to create the user with username Peter, password is password, role is user admin any database, and DB parameter as admin. And user has been successfully created with user Peter and role as user admin any database. Here you can see. Now shut down Mongo server. Now I am going to start the Mongo server with authentication enabled. And here you can see authorization is enabled. Close this client. Open new Mongo client. Switch to admin DB. And we got authentication error. There are no users authenticated. So to execute any command, first we have to authenticate. We will see how to do that. Now I am going to do authentication. db.auth, username is Peter, and password is password. And we got 1, meaning it is successfully authenticated. Now I am doing db.get users, and this time I got the output. Suppose if I give wrong password, then I will get authentication failed. Now I have opened Studio 3T client. Click on new connection. Connection name localhost. So MongoDB server has authentication enabled. Click on this. Select legacy. Username is Peter. And password is password. And authentication DB is admin. Click on test connection, and it is successfully connected. Click on save, connect. We have logged in using Peter user, and Peter user has user admin any database role. With this role, he has only administrative privileges, meaning he can add one more user, or he can drop users, and he can modify the user. But he cannot perform read or write operation on any database, because that permission he don't have. And here you can see the employee DB, and here you can see the collection is not visible because he does not have read permission and write permission. And bookdb also collection you can see it is 0 because he does not have read permission and write permission. We will see how to add read and write permission to the user Peter. Now I am going to add one more role to the user. The role name is read write any database, and DB parameter is admin, and using grant roles to user command. Now you can see the user Peter has two roles. The first role is read write any database, and another role is user admin any database. With this read write any database role, he can read and do write operation on any database. We will see that. Disconnect, connect, and this time you can see the Peter user can see the collection details. Here also you can see. Click on employee and he can view the records or read the records, and if user wants to edit, select the record, click on edit, changing to 2.0, click on update. So now the user has both read permission as well as write permission to update the documents. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.